Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Anonymous is said Etihad from tornado gets to a prominent figures following sensation. It appears to be an ongoing prank to challenge with a novel tornado gas sank ocean. On Tuesday, one day after the U.S. Treasury sanctioned cryptocurrency mixer Tornado case for its alleged role in the cryptocurrency money laundering operation intervals of 01 long Etihad transaction began materializing from the smart contract to the prominent figures such as Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong and American television host Jimmy Fallon. It is not possible to trace the source of the transaction per the tornado case design, and as a result, either an individual or multiple industrial or entities could be involved in the operation. Notable individuals or companies who just received funds from a government national event include Jimmy Fallon, Sequel O'Neil, Puma, Randy Zuckerberg, Logan Paul, Brent Armstrong, Steve Aoki, O'Brien Crypto Donation, Dave Chapel, People, a field day for investigators. Jim Fallon is a DPRK operative source. Uh, Due to sanctions, it is illegal for any U.S. person and entities to interact with the tornado case smart contract address, blockchain, or business-wise. Penalties for willful non-compliance can range for fines of 5,000 US dollar, 10,000 US dollar, and 10 to 30 years imprisonment. The consistency of the transaction indicates that the senders may be starting a prank as to direct law enforcement attention to the recipient individuals. However, the Treasury section requires willful engagement with a blacklist smart contract addressed as a precondition for possible criminal proceedings. Thus, it is unlikely that the receipt of token from tornado case on a gratuitous basis without any prior knowledge nor engagement constituted for violating of the sanctions. The same day, with the development of platform Alchemy and the Infura, you joined the stablecoin issue circle and the programming depository where they have in a blacklisting the sanctioned alternative gas address and bringing access to it the front end application. Months prior to the case attempted to address an ongoing concern that its platform was being used by the malicious hacker to launder stolen crypto funds by selling illicit value from the accesses the application. A month prior to the case attempted to address an ongoing concern that its platform was being used by malicious hacker to launder stolen crypto funds by selling highlighted wealth from acquiring the application. However, its CEO founder Roman Somonov said at the time that the instrument only blocked access to the decentralized application or the app interface and not the underlying smart contract. Months prior to Rodriguez's attempt to address ongoing concern that his platform was being used by malicious hackers to launder stolen crypto funds by disabling elite wealth from a previous application. However, its CEO founder Roman Semenov said at the time that the instrument only blocked access to the decentralized application or the interface and not the underlying smart contract. Well guys, thank you for watching my video. See you for the next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Dah.